Hi everyone, thank you for choosing the Scalable Java 9 for the Connected Web course as your path to learning the Java 9 language. My name is Andrei Rus, and I've been using Java for around 7 years. During this course, I'll be using both my Java and generic programming experience in order to provide you with learning materials that are comprehensive and easy to understand. This course, produced by Pact Publishing, is designed to be relevant to a wide range of people, starting from beginner to intermediate users with some prior programming experience, to people experienced with programming that would like to learn Java 9 or aspects about web development. To make the content in this course easy to follow, we have split it into 3 sections. Introduction to REST APIs and Spring Boot, designing and implementing our API, and enriching our API. In the first section of this course, we're going to discuss about HTTP, REST, and describe how the web works. Then, we will take a practical approach and discuss how to build a web server in Java by using Spring Boot. Finally, we're going to write a simple Hello World web application. In the second section, we are going to dive deeper into the web development aspect. First, by explaining more advanced topics such as HTTP 2.0, asynchronous requests, and multi-threading in the web development space. Next, we're going to sign up to the Google Cloud API and build an application which is using the sentiment analysis service of the Google Cloud Platform in order to calculate the sentiment score of a given text. In the final section of this course, we're going to expand our application by turning it into a web application, adding multiple HTTP endpoints to it, and using multiple services of the Google Cloud Platform. We will be able to calculate sentiment scores for multiple sentences in a given input, and detect word frequency. Finally, we're going to implement a login solution to track our API usage, and a caching solution to improve the overall application performance. There are only a few prerequisites to this course. Most of this course will be presented on and referring to macOS. However, from your perspective as a developer, the differences between operating systems are minimal. It's absolutely fine if instead of macOS, you're using Microsoft Windows or any major distribution of Linux. Bear in mind that the software that we will be installing will require some disk space. So please make sure that you've got at least 5 GB of free space on your disk. Also, while the applications we are including in this course are small, some of the software we are using will require some memory to run in. This is at least 1 GB of RAM, but it's recommended to have at least 2 GB available. Finally, you should have Java 9 installed, together with an IDE such as IntelliJ. This course focuses on more advanced topics than the previous ones in the series, and is aiming to provide you with examples which will help you build a comprehensive knowledge base on a few key topics. First of all, after following this course, you should be more comfortable with Java as a programming language, and your knowledge should now reflect your experience with real-life applications. You will learn some new concepts about computer networks and about how distributed Java applications communicate over a network. Regarding the communication protocols, you will learn how to use an HTTP API and more specifically about the REST protocol. You will also learn about the other side of the channel and not only build an HTTP client but also an HTTP server using one of the most popular web development frameworks that the Java ecosystem offers. Finally, as this course relies heavily on functionality offered by the Google Cloud API, by the end of this course, you should be familiar with this platform. You will find this as a very useful skill, as Google is a leading cloud-based services provider and offers a wide array of infrastructure and computation services. I hope you will enjoy this course and find the contents useful.